Want to clear up space on your computer? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to empty the recycle bin on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This will help free up storage and keep your system running smoothly. Before we jump in, please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. It really supports the channel and keeps tutorials like this coming. Alright, let's get started. Whenever you delete a file, folder, picture, or document on your PC, it doesn't get permanently removed right away. Instead, it moves to the recycle bin, which acts as a temporary holding area. This is useful in case you delete something by mistake, but over time, all these files can start to take up space on your hard drive. That's why it's a good idea to empty your recycle bin every once in a while. You'll usually find the recycle bin icon right on your desktop. It looks like a little trash can. There are two easy ways to empty it. First method, simply right-click on the recycle bin icon. From the menu that appears, select Empty Recycle Bin. A small pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete these items. Click Yes, and within a few seconds, everything inside your recycle bin will be permanently removed. Second method, if you want to double-check what's inside before deleting, just double-click the recycle bin icon to open it. You'll see a list of all the files currently stored there. You can scroll through to make sure you're not deleting anything important. Once you're ready, look at the top of the window. You'll see an option that says Empty Recycle Bin. Click that, confirm the prompt, and Windows will clear everything out instantly. Once your recycle bin is empty, you'll notice the icon changes to a clean, empty bin. This means all those deleted files are now permanently gone and the space they used has been freed up. If you prefer, you can also enable automatic cleanup. To do that, open Settings, go to System Arrow Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically empties your recycle bin after a certain number of days, keeping your computer clutter-free without you needing to do it manually. And that's it. That's how to empty your recycle bin on Windows 11, both manually and automatically. If this tutorial helped you, please take a second to drop a like, leave a quick comment, and subscribe for more easy Windows tips and guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.